For YouCam Make a Live Show, we're using the live streaming technology to broadcast the live show to all the YouCam Mega users in public. For example, this live show, the casters can promote the Mega product or the event campaigns. And this live show, like this caster is promoting these Mega products. So viewers can give comments or likes, and they can also click on Check Now. And to see the product information, users can also tap on Try button and to try on the lip color on their own face. They can also try on different colors in this product series. So if user like this product, they can buy it directly. So now let's get back to the screen. So in YouCam Make a Live Show, brand can get more product exposure to more users in the YouCam Make.